In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up sheet in Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy-to-use form that collects the basics for any event and is ready to share in just a few minutes. Start by opening Google Forms. You can get there from your Google Drive or by navigating directly in your browser. On the Forms homepage, click Blank Form to start from scratch. This gives you a fresh canvas without any pre-filled content, which makes it simple to control exactly what appears. Next, set up the form's identity so people know exactly what it's for. In the main title field at the top, type Sign-up Sheet. Just below that, in the description area, add a short instruction like, "Please fill out your name and contact info to sign up for the event." Keep this message friendly and clear so respondents understand what's expected before they begin. Now add the questions you need. On the right side toolbar, click the plus icon to add your first question. Type full name and set the question type to short answer. Turn on the required toggle at the bottom right of the question card so nobody can submit without entering their name. Click the plus icon again to add more questions. Add email address as a short answer and mark it required as well. For phone number, choose short answer and leave it optional if you don't need it from everyone. For number of guests, pick either multiple choice if you want to offer specific options, or short answer if you prefer a simple number entry. Make it optional so people who are coming solo aren't forced to answer. Clear labels and a minimal number of required fields help reduce drop-off. If you'd like to organize details into parts, add sections. Click the Add Section icon on the right toolbar to create new pages within your form. You might label a section Event Preferences or Special Requests to separate general contact info from extra details. Sections help longer forms feel approachable and guide respondents step by step. When your questions are in place, preview the experience. Click the eye icon at the top to open the form as respondents will see it. Scan for typos, confirm required fields, show the red asterisk, and check that everything is readable on both desktop and mobile. Make any quick edits before sharing. Finally, share your form. Click the link icon at the top to copy the form link. Paste that link into an email, a chat message, or embed it on your website so people can sign up right away. And that's it. Your sign-up sheet is live and ready to collect responses.